Here's a cheat's way of making a very quick corn soup. In a pot, I've just been frying off some onion. Now I just want it to be soft. I don't want to get too much colour on this. I'll now add some corn. This is just frozen corn kernels. They are fantastic for fast soups, just like this. In they go. And 1 cup of chicken stock. I'll add a pinch of salt now. And to make this soup stand out, I'm going to add some coconut milk. This is such a great addition. 270 millilitres of the coconut milk. We'll pour that in. Give that a stir, and now this comes to the boil. Once it's boiling, turn it down to a simmer, cook it for 15 minutes, then I'm going to blend it. It's as simple as that. This soup is cooked, so it's time to blend it. Don't blend it until it's completely smooth. I like the idea of having some slightly chunky bits in it. Good. Love that pale yellow colour. To serve this up, just grab a ladle and we'll ladle this soup into a bowl, nice and thick. And then to dress this, a few sprigs of coriander, 3 sprigs over the top, and a drizzle of olive oil. That is a super simple soup, creamy, sweet from the corn. I can't wait. Oh, I'm just gonna have a taste of this. Oh, so hearty, so delicious with the addition of that coconut milk.